Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka Shillong All Faith Forum SAFF ne kasni tho ding kala kuntu ya ka sarkar Meghalaya bat sarkar Assam ban ya kren bat ban pinben ha ka bayade ba ki kam thambor ki riungai Kristan ki basa ki tahan khapun. Hashwa gane ka SAFF kala lum ka Nongialam ka bakirke banyakren halor ki jingmi ki khubor sha thombor bat jingsha berngem ki riungai Kristan ha ki than khaput jeng ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam. U President ka SAFF u Bishop Purely Lingdo Ulaong ka jinglong jingman hapo kari India. Hapo ka than shati lammi ngi khamtam hapo ki khaput ka jela Meghalaya kala sakhi ya ka jingsha thombor bat sha berngem ki riungai. Ulaong mensua kathan chate la mingi kadi kathan ka ba im hap deng ka jingelong shan jong baro ki riungen. Watla ki don de ki spa tali ki niam ki riulum ki tien thliet bar ki riti dostur. Kalong ke egi ka ba sngosi ba mental sedang sakhi biang ka jingsha thombor bat sha berngem ki riunget ki ba don ha ki than khapun ka Meghalaya Assam ong Bishop Purely. Bishop Ulaong bakani ka jing sedang sakhi ka jing sha thombor bat sha berngem ki riungen kala bandeiru na marga jingdon ki bashim kabu ki katu ka ningut ki bakwa mentoi shimen khamtam ba menta belajan ke election.
Kisan ki niam baro. Andrei agini ki singi ki for ni iba kala jong ki kala ki wan ela mi ki jing nagi jing kren nagi jing ikam ki bigile ki bom internatio ki bom sosi ki boy penyapat aprai ki brio but kani kala wan ra ye ka ege bom internatio agari India ka jani ni so sorong igari wa kenang kieu ki kam ki panroi hagi kam hagi development ki bo fair
Kulis pun fi pai bal di pai smart keluar antar news sudah nata hang ni hapo aksenong marmai kabodai ka senong kabodan haput me clear bat Assam ni ini tang sikam ni lapoi ya ka senong Assam hang bai ni senong marmai lapia dakawa umpli apa ni ka Assam bat me clear handai ka kuar usutieng kelong ba hadin belami ki kubar ham saya bar ki belami ro hakilat pathai kubar yang jing sapriang kita ki posta haka ketien asamis ban ong ba umsha banwa ya ki durniam na ki stasiu ki dur jisu ba ki dur rikoi banwa haki school bat kani ka khabar la sapriang stat ba hadu kala pelong ru hapo yung darwa to anjong jala jingi banyatai bentai ya kani ka badang dan ka budget session ni iru dang mah kini kisi kidun ka tu na kiseng balang dah kerjanya action komiti kilip yang kendo ya udi putih komisioner ban ai jum thok ban ujor halor kani hatu kani kadi ka hok si yang ni kinong India bisa masa kari India yang ini ban buram ini ban kongo ya kari India ni haban kongo ya saka hanrei kadi bendan ba ta kamon lai doi kum ka kasinsa ka iba kantin sa ba kata demo demokrasi dan ka hok bendan la ka jong kijing lek jengkam bangin mani bangin ya liu in liu kat kumi culture kat kumi jengit nyam.
See, in last 40 years this school is running here with the help of the people here even in Assam side or in Meghalaya side we are coming working together and because of their cooperation and collaboration now this school is came up and we have more than 400 students are studying here. Myself also, this is my 7th year here I am working. I'm very happy to have these people here in our village and they are for my parents, brothers and sisters. I enjoyed their company here. But last 2 weeks I was away from this particular place for my meeting in Delhi. When I came back on 26th, that I heard that some people wanted to remove this Jesus statue in front of the school and they will give writing in letter for me. So sister, please take care of your school. Like that message I got. And at the same time, I heard that in Assam side also it is happening. So based on that, and we are in border area. So I felt little anxious about it because students are here, teachers are here, parents are here, so then my responsibility to take care of them. So immediately I informed the authority this news which I do not know clearly, but I asked them to take care of us. That is what happened last days. Thank you. That much I want to say. So I got one message that it is not mentioned for even Assam or Meghalaya, but some number of items are there what they are going to do. So with that also I felt very upset. So we decided that we will inform our authority, the education society, those who are helping us, those who are dear to us.
Are you informed to the Shillong Archdiocese regarding on that?
First of all, I informed my parish priest and assistant parish priest Tumden, and they came to meet me, they helped me, they prayed for me. After that, they forwarded to the concerned authorities.